With spring and summer here, I wanted my home to feel lighter, calmer, and a little more beautiful every day. So today, I'm sharing simple decor ideas that completely transform the mood of a space, using cozy inspiration and affordable Amazon finds. And I'll link all my favorite Amazon products in the description below. One thing I've noticed about beautiful homes, they don't always have expensive furniture. What really changes a space is the feeling. For spring and summer, I love spaces that feel bright, breathable, warm, natural, and softly layered. Think warm wood tones, woven textures, soft ivory fabrics, fresh greenery, and sunlight reflecting through mirrors. Even adding one or two natural elements can completely shift the energy of a room. The first area I always focus on is the entryway, because the moment you walk into a home, the mood starts there. One of the easiest ways to create that calm designer look is with a tall mirror, a textured vase, woven baskets, and simple greenery. You can use products like arched mirrors, ceramic vases, woven storage baskets, or faux olive branches to recreate this look easily. I especially love using faux olive branches or soft spring stems because they instantly make a space feel fresh without needing much styling. And honestly, this type of setup always looks expensive, even when it's super simple. Next is the living room, probably the easiest space to refresh seasonally. Instead of changing furniture, I like changing textures and colors. For spring and summer, lighter pillow covers, soft linen textures, neutral throws, ceramic decor, and natural wood accents make the whole room feel softer and more relaxed. You can add things like linen pillow covers, soft throw blankets, warm table lamps, wood trays, or minimal wall art to create that cozy, organic feel. One thing that helps a room feel styled instead of cluttered is repetition. If you repeat similar tones like beige, sage green, warm brown, or ivory, the space automatically feels more intentional. And adding small, natural elements like wood beads, stone vases, or greenery creates that cozy, organic look everyone loves right now. Another area that completely changes the feeling of a home is the kitchen and dining space. A kitchen doesn't need to feel overly modern or perfect. Sometimes, a few thoughtful details make it feel warm and welcoming. I love adding simple decor like framed wall photos, wooden cutting boards, ceramic bowls, soft pendant lighting, or small countertop greenery. And sideboards or buffet cabinets are honestly one of the easiest ways to make a dining area feel styled. You can decorate them with layered wall art, candles, vases, table lamps, or textured decor pieces to create that calm designer look. For dining areas, I always love keeping things soft and natural. Linen table runners, warm plates, neutral chairs, and a simple centerpiece can completely transform the atmosphere. And during spring and summer, fresh greenery or soft floral stems instantly make the space feel alive. I also found some really beautiful Amazon decor pieces that match this aesthetic perfectly. Things like arched mirrors, linen pillow covers, ceramic vases, warm table lamps, woven baskets, faux olive trees, framed wall art, and dining decor pieces. You really don't need a full makeover. Even adding one or two carefully chosen pieces can completely change the mood of a room. And honestly, that's what makes a home feel personal. I always try to focus on pieces that feel timeless instead of trendy. For bedrooms, I love creating a softer summer atmosphere. Simple white bedding, textured blankets, warm lighting, and light curtains make such a big difference. You can use soft, neutral bedding, cozy knit throws, bedside lamps, or natural wood decor to make the room feel calm and relaxing. And during spring and summer, natural light becomes part of the decor. So keeping the space light and uncluttered makes everything feel calmer. Sometimes the most beautiful spaces are also the simplest. At the end of the day, home decor isn't really about perfection. It's about creating a space that makes you feel peaceful when life feels busy. A space that feels warm, personal, and comforting. And honestly, even small changes can completely change the way your home feels. I hope this video gave you some inspiration for your own spring and summer refresh. And if you want more cozy home decor ideas and Amazon finds, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.